What's up? What's up? Welcome to the island.
Throw up the sex in
Hey, Lucia.
And I can push you in.
We are St. Lucia Bound, baby. So I'm about to board the plane. I got my breakfast. I went to Poppy's. And if you don't know, it's bussin'. It's in Concourse T if you're in Atlanta.
It's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.
Okay, so not only do they not have a jet bridge, they don't even have a shuttle, y'all. We gotta walk. Still walking. Still walking. This was like a maze. And the security line was so long. Are you gonna drive us safely?
Yes. Let's drive on the island, don't you worry.
Okay.
You go to let them know that you're coming, man. You know people live down there, you know. I would never live down there for anybody. I'll pull up on the side there so you can take some pictures. And the surroundings.
Oh wow. I booked a fancy place and didn't even know it.
Yes, man. You were well blessed.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I sure was. Hey, y'all, look at this villa that I literally just booked on the plane. It's so big. I can't wait to give you guys a room tour, but I'm gonna give you a lobby tour for now. This is the lobby. We have our hotel ambassadors over there, the people that check me in. And look at the lobby, bro. Oh, they're gonna see me in here every morning. Oh my gosh, and there's 5 restaurants here. Y'all, it's gonna be a good time here. Okay. Y'all, I am in the room. It is 7 o'clock and I'm just gonna run you through the things that happened today, but let me give you guys a room tour, okay? This villa, oh my gosh, chef's kiss. So this is the bathroom. Let me find the light. This is the bathroom. We love this shower. I love a little glass shower. And it's wide, so I don't have to bump the wall when I wash my arm, okay? And we have a little kitchen. I love a mini fridge, just in case I do get leftovers. Now, this is a resort, so I'm probably not gonna be having leftovers, but I do love that as a feature. And this is the bed. Of course, I got the king suite. It's just me. You know, we got a little TV. And this is the couch. And we have, oh my gosh, I have to show you guys the balcony space in the daytime because it is such a view. If you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. And if you're not new here, welcome back. You know we do these travel vlogs. So in my previous video, you guys saw that I just moved to a new city and that was overwhelming, okay? And I was like, you know what, let's treat ourselves to a little 4-day vacation. I'm staying at the Windjammer Landing Villa Beach Resort. Y'all need the tea on this resort. Y'all, if you are booking this place, book it through Expedia because what I didn't know, Expedia gives everybody $150 spa credit. My driver was really, really great and I'm gonna tell you guys how I booked him. I got to the airport and once I got through customs, I went to the little sign that had my hotel name and they usually charge $90 each way, so it would have been $180 round trip, but that was a private shuttle and I'm like, I don't need a private shuttle, so I did a shared shuttle for $75 round trip. Y'all know, listen, I love a discount and I love something that's budget friendly because baby, it took us about over an hour and a half to get here because the airport is all the way on the south side and where we are is on the northwest side. This is what my driver was telling me, that all the beaches on this side are actually the beaches that you can get in the water. The currents aren't really rough and the beaches near the airport are really rough. And then y'all, why the villa room that they gave me, why somebody was in my room? So there's like a Villa A and Villa B, which is B is upstairs, A is downstairs. Why was the person in B downstairs in A? I'm like, oh no, baby, I'm not staying there. But I need to get that figured out. They were literally like, oh, I'm gonna upgrade you, no problem. The view I had before was literally just like the mountain ranges, which is still beautiful. So let me get dressed and we're gonna head to the steakhouse restaurant and I'll let you guys know how it is. the view is so pretty. Like, I'm so thankful that I got upgraded to the beachfront view. Like, y'all, look at this view. I may never leave. I may never leave, seriously. But guys, last night, I didn't even end up going to that dinner reservation. Let me tell you, I don't know what was in that welcome drink, that rum punch, because I was in that bed. I was knocked out. And for reference, I hadn't eaten since before my flight. My flight was at 10 a.m. That was the last and only meal that I ate yesterday. I was a little tipsy in the video from last night. So yeah, but everything I was saying was still valid. I did wake up at like 3 a.m. All the lights were still on, y'all. I'm like, oh my gosh. The clothes just hanging off of me. I was so ready to eat. I called the front desk and I'm like, what time is breakfast open? They said 7:30. And guess what? Oh, I'm ready. I'm gonna be the first one in. Like I was telling y'all, I do have $150 spa credit to use. I don't know if I'll use it today or tomorrow. I really just want to relax by the beach. So I'm hoping that the breakfast is really, really good. So let's go. Okay, so these are what the outside of the villas look like. Like I said, because there's so many, you do have to call your shuttle. There's my shuttle, and they'll come like to the front and pick you up. Where's he going, y'all? I thought that was for me. Tomatoes and green peppers, yes. So I'm getting my omelets. I have fruit. Breakfast is my favorite meal. I think I'm really just like disappointed to the highest extent when it's just not hitting. The waffle was like so dry. You know how you put bread in the refrigerator and then reheat it? Tasted like that. The same with the little potatoes. It really wasn't giving. So I mainly just ate the fruit and the omelet, which is fine. I'm full, but I just expected a little bit more from the breakfast. Anywho, I'm gonna go back to the room and let my food digest. It turned out that my new villa, the one that I got switched to, is right up the road. So I really don't need a shuttle. I'm actually embarrassed that I took the shuttle because it was like a 2-second drive. But hey, I pay for it, so I can do that, right? And then it starts raining. It's okay because I'm going to the gym. That was my motivation too. Like, I can't sit in the beach while it's raining, so take your lips to the gym. We are being consistent working out regardless if we're on vacation. So I made it to the gym. Just showing you guys the gym. It is very nice for a hotel resort gym. I guess this is like a little yoga stretching room. So I'll probably go in there and stretch after. And then you have like some free weights and there's one other person in here. So we're gonna start with our cardio and yeah. I'll see y'all later. It was really nice, y'all. I was in a rush because I forgot that I scheduled my massage for 1 o'clock. And for reference, you already know I'm running late, but it's 12:50. So I have 10 minutes. I just got back to the room. I still need to shower. I'm gonna be late and we just gonna let it be what it is, okay? And after I get my massage, it's gonna be time for a little late lunch, early dinner. I really wanna go to the steakhouse that I didn't make it to yesterday. So I'll see if I can have my ambassador schedule a reservation. And I came back and the maid cleaned up, so now the room looks perfecto. And of course, remember the view, so beautiful. Anyway, let's get in the shower. You have to get a massage if you stay at this resort. 10 out of 10. Now I'm hungry. It's about 4 o'clock, so we're gonna go get something to eat at one of the restaurants in this resort. lovely day just relaxing. Like, this was honestly the vacation that I needed. I went to the beach and I just laid there and I looked up at the clouds. I took a little nap. The weather was great. That sun actually went down just as I was like getting in the water, so it wasn't scorching hot because the heat here. I just finished getting dressed. We are about to go to dinner. I'm not sure which restaurant I want to eat at tonight. I'm probably not going to do the steakhouse just because I had the steak and fries for lunch. I should have waited and just had steak for dinner, but I have been craving steak since last night. I was going to do an excursion tomorrow. There's this drive-through volcano that I was interested in doing, but I honestly just don't want to go anywhere. I just want to lay at the resort. Today was also my first time using my drone since Hawaii. And y'all, if you watch my Hawaii vlog, then you know that I crashed my drone. If you haven't watched my Hawaii vlog, I'm putting the link here. Go ahead and watch that, okay? Everything else today has been really, really good. The massage was great. The gym was great. I feel great. So let's go get some dinner.
Just full of myself.
Yeah? Hi, what's up?
What's
welcome
up?
to the island.
Yeah, welcome to the island. He's making me a concoction, y'all.
Concoction, yeah? Call me the doctor.
Yes. We gonna see, y'all, because the drink he made earlier was not given while he doing all this. I'm still sipping on this drink he gave me. Mr. Bartender, Mr. St. Lucia's Best. This is the menu. Quite pricey, but YOLO. We don't worry about the menu right now. Guys, I wasn't gonna get steak again, but he was like, you have to eat the steak here. Like, it's way better than the steak from the other restaurant, which I didn't think that steak was all that anyway. Y'all know that. So I got steak and fries, but hold on. I subbed the fries for a salad because I just had fries earlier. So you know what I said? We gotta condone ourselves accordingly, okay? Because we're gonna be in the bathing suit tomorrow. And then because I got a salad, I'm gonna get myself a little apple crumble treat for dessert. So I'm feeling very good about this meal. He said he's bringing rolls. I said, ooh, don't bring them. Don't bring them because I'm gonna eat them. So I told him to bring one. We'll see if he listens. It's warm and hard. Like, how does that work? I thought if it's warm, it's soft because you just warmed it up. I'm hoping the main course is better than this. And I will keep y'all updated. Dinner was good. Like, the steak was really good. The dessert, it wasn't worth $15, but I do just want to share this for you guys. This is not a budget-friendly place, okay? But y'all, I think I mentioned before in the video how the hotel has these ambassadors, which are basically essentially like a butler or just like someone that's at your beck and call. And my ambassador, her name was Retanya. She is amazing, y'all. She just sent a bottle up to my room. Like, I love her. I'm bringing her back to America, okay? She got us a bottle of Brut. Before I left the restaurant, she was like, did you see anything in your room? And I was like, see anything like what? She was like, oh, nothing. And I was like, okay. Like, I didn't know what she was talking about. Y'all, the bottle was so cute. Shout out to my girl, Tanya. She's gonna be off tomorrow. This is her last day working. And she's going on a vacation. She's going to Barbados. So I'm kind of sad because she was gonna take me out on Friday. We were gonna like hang out and go to like the little Friday market, but she won't be here. So next time, girl, next time. Anyway, y'all, I am super exhausted. I'm gonna do some editing and lay down. I have the itis because I am full. So anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Much love. Adios. Good morning, guys. It is our last full day here in paradise, and I am gonna be leaving tomorrow. So I'm not too thrilled about that, but it's time to get home and get back to reality. So I'm super excited about just relaxing today. I do have some mangoes being sent up to my room. Like I mentioned, mangoes are in season here. They literally grow on the trees, like literally the trees behind me. They pick them every morning. And I told my girl last night, Latanya, I was like, I need some mangoes. I haven't had mangoes since I've been here. And she was like, don't worry, we're gonna send you up some tomorrow. They literally woke me up like, good morning, Ayana, we're sending you some mangoes. So I'm just waiting on the shuttle that pulls up to bring me my mangoes. My mangoes are here. They just delivered them. He was like, I have a package at the door for you. Come on in, I'm expecting you. I'm so excited. Why I thought I felt something? Look at the mangoes, and they're so soft. Like, they're ready to eat now. Oh my gosh. How many can you eat before you're having like a mango overdose? Because I'm going to try to only eat 2 today and 2 tomorrow. I think I'm going to eat this one first because this feels the softest. So the plan today is just to relax. It's our last day of relaxation. And I need to be in the sun more. Like, I haven't gotten a tan, which is not good or bad, but to me, that just means I was not out here enough. So, and I also want to just embrace my inner child and do like some of these little water sport activities. The free ones, only the free ones. I spent the entire day literally just relaxing by the beach. It is like 5:30 now, so the sun is kind of going down. It's getting a little cloudy, and they're gonna have a beach party here tonight. So I'm interested to see what that's gonna be like. I'm really just gonna miss this view and opening my door and just seeing this every morning. I feel like flying back home is just so depressing. Like, oh, I don't want to go home. But anyway, it's been fun. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all on the next travel vlog.